Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord not opening on PC or the Windows. First, select your Discord application, right-click, select Properties, go to Compatibility, and right here, make sure Run this program as admin and disable full screen optimizations is selected. Click Apply and OK. Right now, I want to make sure that your Discord application is closed. Next, go to your Windows search bar, and I want you to search for run. Here, type percentage app data percentage. I want you to select Discord. Next, I want you to select cache, cache code, and GPU cache, and delete all of them. If you can't delete them, that's because you have Discord application running in the background. Make sure to open your task manager and simply close the application. And you're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.